Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how you can set and train your AI agent if it doesn't give the correct answer or if it doesn't has the answer to provide to your potential customer. So let's check it out. So let's go to front end. This is a sample website that we have selected. Enter name and email and then let's interact with the AI agent. We're gonna ask what is the use of expo leads and the AI agent doesn't has the answer, so it says trigger the failed sub message. So now let's go to backend. Click on train agent from left side menu. Click on add URL. So I'm gonna add a public documentation link, GitHub link of that particular product. So now it has been trained and its memory is updated. Now let's go in front end and ask the same question again. Now you have the answer. Earlier it didn't have the answer because it didn't have anything in that memory, but now it is giving me the answer. Now it has given me the longer answer. So let me just go to that particular conversation. I want to change from longer answer to little bit smaller answer, right? So I'm going to find the conversation, click on edit, and then I'm going to modify the answer that AI agent has given. It was a formatted answer. It was you having a list item and a little bit of paragraph, but I'm just going to select the list item and remove everything else. So now I have it. I'll just click on update answer. So now I have the bulleted list. I'm going to ask the same question again. What is the use of expo leads? And now it has given me the concise answers that I modified and given the AI agent proper instruction that don't use the longer answer, remove some, paragraph from the ULLI bulleted list. And that has been given to me in the front end. So that's how you train your AI agent. If it doesn't has the details that, customers are asking, you may want to add the resources first. And then if it is not giving the answer precisely as you need, then all you can always go and find that conversion, click on edit icon and change it. So this is super useful and super helpful for your website for faster conversion, and it's easy to use for your end customer as well. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.